Do you ever wonder why some people in their 20s are already financially free, while most of us are stuck paycheck to paycheck? Today, I'll show you the exact habits and decisions young millionaires make that separate them from everyone else, and how you can start using these strategies today to change your financial future. Most people think earning more money is the key to wealth. But here's the truth, earning money isn't enough. It's about how you manage, invest, and grow it. In this video, I'm going to break down the habits and mindset shifts that wealthy 20-somethings follow. Stick with me, because these are the secrets schools don't teach, and your future self will thank you. The first secret is mindset. Young millionaires don't focus on instant gratification, they focus on long-term growth. While most people buy expensive dinners, new gadgets, or flashy clothes, these young investors focus on building skills, knowledge, and assets that pay off over time. For instance, investing in high-income skills like coding, digital marketing, or finance doesn't just give you a paycheck, it gives you leverage. And leverage is what turns an ordinary 20-something into a millionaire by their 30s. They also avoid the social media trap. Seeing everyone's fancy cars and trips can make you feel behind, but young millionaires focus on progress, not popularity. They understand that true wealth is built quietly, strategically, and consistently. Next, they develop smart money habits early. Tracking every dollar, budgeting carefully, and avoiding lifestyle inflation is key. Many people earn $50,000, upgrade their car, and suddenly their lifestyle balloons. Young millionaires keep expenses low and invest the extra. Budgeting isn't just restriction, it's freedom. Knowing where your money goes allows them to take risks, invest wisely, and never feel financially trapped. Even small incomes, when managed smartly, can grow into serious wealth over time. Here's a secret most people ignore: compound interest is your best friend. Wealthy 20-somethings start investing as early as possible. Investing just $200 a month at 8% annual return from age 22 can grow to over $25,000 by 30. Many wait until 30 and lose years of compounding growth. They diversify: ETFs, retirement accounts, side businesses, and real estate. The goal is to make money work for you, not the other way around. Every year delayed is a missed opportunity, and young millionaires know that time is more valuable than money. Another habit is creating multiple income streams. They don't rely on a single paycheck. Freelancing, side hustles, investments, all bring in money consistently. Even small, consistent streams add up over time. That's how young millionaires reach financial freedom faster than people who depend on a single source. Imagine losing your main job. Someone relying on a single paycheck might panic, but a young millionaire? They have multiple streams bringing money in every month, making setbacks almost irrelevant. Rich 20-somethings constantly learn from mentors, books, and like-minded communities. They avoid toxic spending habits and negative influences that drain both motivation and money. Your environment either pulls you forward or holds you back. They choose wisely, surrounded by people who push them to grow and challenge them to improve. Another key habit is avoiding debt. Debt is a silent wealth killer. Young millionaires avoid high-interest loans and impulsive spending. Strategic credit card use, paying balances in full, and never financing lifestyle they can't afford keeps them ahead. Most people think debt is convenient, but it silently destroys financial growth. Understanding this early separates those who build wealth from those who stay broke. Discipline in daily routines is key. They wake up early, prioritize important tasks, and avoid distractions. Every hour invested wisely compounds over time. Instead of binge-watching shows all weekend, they dedicate time to learning, side projects, and planning finances. Time management equals money management. Every hour saved and invested grows their financial freedom. They view money as a tool, not a goal. Spending isn't about showing off, it's about generating more income and security. Instead of luxury cars, they buy assets that generate cash flow. This mindset helps them make smarter decisions, earn smarter, save smarter, and invest smarter. Simple but incredibly powerful. Finally, they learn from mistakes, both theirs and others. Overspending, bad investments, peer pressure, and procrastination. They study what works and avoid repeating errors. Modeling successful people, adapting strategies, and continuously optimizing their approach creates compounding knowledge just as powerful as compounding money. So, what can you do starting today? Invest in yourself, create multiple income streams, track your spending, avoid debt traps, and surround yourself with growth-minded people. Start now. Your 20s are the perfect time to build habits that pay off for decades. Wealth isn't just about how much you earn. It's about how wisely you grow, save, and invest. The sooner you start, the faster you reach financial freedom. If you want more actionable money strategies and insights, hit that subscribe button and join the Stick Life Finance journey. Start building your millionaire mindset today.